Hello everyone, Yanni here from EagleMMS, and we have a new product launch to share with you. It is our new EPC calculator. So you know how hazardous waste has been $3 for the last 4 to 5 decades, right? Well, we figured that's probably not so accurate anymore in this inflationary economy, so we devised this formula to more properly tabulate these costs. And what we discovered is that it should not be a flat fee at all. We aggregate data state by state for the average drum disposal fees of VOC material from various waste disposal companies, and we multiply it by the pints of runoff per job, which can vary. Every time a paint gun is loaded with epoxy, primer, sealer, base, clear, or a variant for a spray out, there's a volume of excess catalyzed material that will be disposed of, as well as a volume of thinners and solvents needed to clean those paint guns out. All those volatile organic compounds are federally regulated and need to be disposed of properly. EagleMMS now generates these reports automatically every time an invoice is generated for materials. Based on the products applied to the vehicle, it'll generate an accurate and transparent runoff report for each layer and calculate the disposal fee based on the state-by-state averages. Now keep in mind, this is not life-changing money, but $20 to $30 per vehicle can really start to add up, and it shouldn't be money lost by shops for the proper disposal of these hazardous materials. So if you want to learn more about our EPC calculator and our materials invoicing software, feel free to visit us at EagleMMS.com and click Attend Webinar at the bottom right corner. You will receive an access link to our full demo and consultation we run on Tuesdays at 11 a.m. Eastern. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you there.
Ha! $3 hazardous waste?
Yeah, we're not doing that. We just multiply the runoff by the drum disposal fee to get a real EPC.